Hey guys, look at these very funny surprises. Would you like to open them? Well, let's start, and here is the white surprise, and inside is, do you know him? Here is Captain Flynn. Here is a character in the deck and the Neverland Pirates cartoon. Here's Captain Flynn. Hi! Take a place here and let's open this blue surprise. Who is inside? Oh, who is there? Oh, I think this is Hans. Hans from the Frozen cartoon. He wanted to be a prince, but he failed, right? Okay, Hans. Let's open yellow surprise. And I see pony. Oh, it's not just a pony. Here is a mold, so you can create your unique pony. Oh, and there are some molds down of it, so you can create something unique. Very nice. Oh, let's open this strange orange surprise. Oh, here is such a beautiful Tinkerbell. Oh, you're so beautiful. I like your yellow hair, and you have such a beautiful green dress. Okay, later help me to put you here. And let's open this red surprise. And who is inside? Oh, here is Dr. McStuffins. Dr. McStuffins, exactly. She likes animals and she wants them to be very healthy, so she helped them with that. And let's open the last one. Oh, and inside is Anna. Anna, she is a sister of the Frozen. Hello, Anna, you look happy. And we are happy to see you here. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.